Welcome everyone. My name is Dr. Sina Bari and I'm Medical Director here at iMerit, and I want to do a quick walkthrough of our new radiology suite. I'm going to log in here. As most of you know, radiology is leading the way in healthcare AI, and as a data services provider, iMerit has had the opportunity to work with a number of large manufacturers and groundbreaking startups. And what we saw was a gap in the market for a full-featured radiology annotation tool. We really liked some of the functionality that existed in the open source space with tools such as Slicer. But we needed to marry that to the people and the data management that was necessary to scale projects to the amount needed really to drive large amounts of data. Logging into our tool, this is available at imerit.ango.ai. You're welcome to go there and sign up for access, or reach out to medical@imerit.net for us to set something up for you. When you first log in, you're going to see all of your projects, and clicking into a project, we see our overview page, which gives us a lot of information about the status of the project, how much is being done, how long it's taking, and our overall workflow. You can dig into that a little bit more at the annotator level, and then this is the space where you would add your data, including DICOM data, and all of this is accessible via the API as well, so that you can set up your pipeline programmatically. And then assign tasks here. And then I want to take a closer look here into our workflow. And so one of the things that we can do now is pull in a foundational model such as SAM, or your own model for pre-annotation. And then we can create a custom workflow that includes your experts, our experts, trained team, and all of this is recorded with digital signatures that are CFR 21 Part 11 compliant. So that way all of the data is ready for FDA and other regulatory body validation. And so here you can additionally set up logic within your workflow. So if you set up a flag that needs an escalation to a second level, we can also set up webhooks so that a message can go out, say if your expert is on call to review data, and then we can additionally create audit steps that are based on a random selection of data. In addition, specific annotation feedback can be given in tool for the annotation. It can also be added to a library so that it can be used for training and guideline refinement. So setting up the tool is done here, and includes a bunch of plugins and abilities to create validation so that certain requirements exist for any one of your labels. And then jumping into the annotation tool itself, we can see that we have true native NRRD functionality. So this allows us to view in 3 dimensions, and all annotations. Say if I draw an annotation here, that annotation is also reflected in my other planes because it exists as a 3D object, and then is also exported as a 3D object. We have a number of tools that can accelerate annotation based on selecting a threshold area and windowing that threshold area so that we can annotate more quickly and use the time of your experts efficiently. And then we can visualize our annotations here in 3D, and this is toggle. We can toggle this on and off. That way we can use your computer resources efficiently, and so we can view structures in their native 3 dimensions. That way we can better visualize our objects and refine our annotations as needed. Thanks so much.